Ever wondered how to transform your creativity into a stream of passive income? Print on demand, POD, might just be the answer you're looking for. This business model allows you to create and sell products without the hassle of inventory management, making it an excellent option for those looking to generate income passively. In this video, we'll explore 10 brilliant ideas to help you turn your pod venture into a profitable endeavor. 1. Create niche-specific merchandise. The key to success in POD is finding and targeting a specific niche. By focusing on a particular interest or community, such as pet lovers, gamers, or fitness enthusiasts, you can create designs that resonate deeply with your audience. This involves researching and understanding the preferences, humor, and style of your chosen niche. Once you've identified your target group, design unique and appealing products that cater to their tastes. Use niche-specific social media groups, forums, and blogs to promote your merchandise. Engaging with niche communities not only boosts your sales, but also helps build a loyal customer base that continuously supports and promotes your brand. 2. Leverage social media influencers. Collaborating with social media influencers is a powerful strategy to expand your reach and increase sales. Influencers with a large following in your target niche can introduce your products to a broader audience. To start, identify influencers who align with your brand values and audience. Reach out to them with a proposal to create exclusive collections for their followers. Offer commission-based deals to incentivize them. By leveraging their influence, you can tap into their dedicated fan base, driving traffic and sales to your POD store. This collaboration not only boosts visibility, but also adds credibility to your brand. Influencers often have loyal followers who trust their recommendations, making them effective partners in promoting your products. Additionally, these collaborations can generate engaging content for your social media channels, further enhancing your marketing efforts. Overall, influencer partnerships are a strategic investment, fostering brand loyalty and driving growth in a competitive market. 3. Utilize e-commerce platforms. Setting up your POD store on popular e-commerce platforms like Etsy, Amazon, or Shopify can significantly boost visibility and sales. These platforms offer built-in audiences and marketing tools to help you reach potential customers. Optimize your product listings with SEO-friendly titles, descriptions, and tags to enhance discoverability. High-quality images are crucial as they attract and engage customers, increasing the likelihood of purchases. Additionally, utilize platform-specific features like sponsored ads or promotional deals to boost your store's visibility. By effectively using these platforms, you can streamline operations and focus on creating and marketing your designs. Using the tools provided by Etsy, Amazon, or Shopify not only simplifies the setup process, but also provides valuable insights into customer behavior and preferences. Leveraging these insights can help you refine your product offerings and marketing strategies, ultimately leading to increased sales and customer satisfaction. Embrace these e-commerce giants to maximize your store's potential and success. 4. Automate marketing with email campaigns. Email marketing is a highly effective way to nurture customer relationships and drive repeat sales. Start by building an email list through your website or social media channels. Segment your audience based on interests, purchase history, or engagement levels. Automate your email campaigns to send personalized messages promoting new products, exclusive discounts, or upcoming sales. Use attractive visuals and compelling content to engage your subscribers. Regularly analyze the performance of your campaigns to refine your strategies. Automated email marketing not only saves time, but also ensures consistent communication with your customers, enhancing loyalty and boosting sales. 5. Offer customizable products. Customization adds a personal touch to your products, making them more appealing to customers. Offering personalization options such as names, initials, or custom messages can significantly increase the perceived value of your items. Use mock-up generators to provide customers with a preview of their customized product, enhancing their shopping experience. Charge a premium for personalized items, as customers are often willing to pay more for unique and tailored products. Promoting these customizable options through targeted marketing campaigns can attract more buyers looking for special gifts or unique personal items. 6. Design seasonal and holiday merchandise. Seasonal and holiday merchandise can create a sense of urgency and drive sales during specific times of the year. Develop limited edition designs for holidays such as Christmas, Halloween, or Valentine's Day. Promote these products well in advance to capture early shoppers. Bundling related items into themed sets can also increase your average order value. Use social media and email campaigns to highlight the exclusivity and limited availability of these items. By aligning your product offerings with seasonal trends, you can capitalize on peak shopping periods and boost your POD sales. 7. Develop a strong brand identity. A strong brand identity sets you apart from competitors and fosters customer loyalty. Start with a memorable logo and consistent branding across all your products and marketing materials. Your brand's visual and verbal identity should reflect your values and appeal to your target audience. Engage with your customers through social media, responding to comments and feedback to build a community around your brand. Share your brand story and values to create a deeper connection with your audience. A well-developed brand identity not only attracts customers but also encourages repeat business and word-of-mouth referrals. 8. Expand product range. Diversifying your product offerings can attract a wider audience and increase sales. In addition to popular items like t-shirts and mugs, consider adding phone cases, tote bags, or home decor to your store. Regularly test new designs and remove those that underperform. Keep an eye on market trends and adapt your product range accordingly to stay relevant. Expanding your product range not only caters to different customer preferences, but also allows you to maximize your revenue potential from various product categories. 9. Use print-on-demand services. Choosing the right POD service provider is crucial for ensuring high-quality products and reliable fulfillment. Research and select POD companies with positive reviews and a reputation for quality and timely delivery. Look for providers that integrate seamlessly with your e-commerce platform to streamline your operations. Focus on quality to maintain customer satisfaction and encourage repeat business. Reliable POD services handle the production and shipping, allowing you to concentrate on designing and marketing your products, thereby creating a more efficient and scalable business model. 10. Implement affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a cost-effective way to increase your sales without upfront advertising costs. Set up an affiliate program where partners can earn a commission for promoting your products. Recruit affiliates through networks or by reaching out to bloggers, influencers, and content creators in your niche. Provide them with marketing materials such as banners, product images, and promotional content to help them effectively market your products. Monitor the performance of your affiliates and offer incentives to high performers. This strategy not only boosts sales, but also extends your reach to new audiences through the affiliates' efforts. Turning print-on-demand into a source of passive income involves creativity, strategic marketing, and leveraging the right tools and platforms. By following these 10 brilliant ideas, you can build a sustainable and profitable POD business. Remember, the key to success is persistence and continuous learning. Thanks for watching Quick Value TV. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more valuable content.